What's up, everyone? Today is April 27th, 2017, Thursday. One more day of the market being open. Very sad. Anyways, took two plays, went 1 for 1. I guess I wasn't even supposed to take a trade today, but I'm just I guess I'm an addict. And I ended up going with CNAT. CNAT was just been overextended. The problem with this one is that just low volume for a couple days, and then all of a sudden the volume comes in, pushes up. Today they got about 1.5 million in volume. But anyway, so when I saw this one, I was actually dropping off my little girls at the daycare, and rule number one, I shouldn't be trading when I'm doing other things. And so when I saw this, I was actually in my car with my computer hotspot on. So when I saw this, I was looking at it as a failed open. So first of all, I failed its open, and then as you can see, I had drawn some trend lines, and I was looking for that bear flag. So I ended up going in here. So now here's the thing: is I ended up going in like around 810 price, 810, and then got in my vehicle, went and dropped off my girls, and I was expecting, just a big drop. So let's, when you're talking about bear flag, drops, picks up, and then, I was expecting to come and see the stock down here, but as you notice, it just ended up going against me. When I first went in, I had set my stop based on this parabolic dot, 838, and I was being patient. I mean, I did notice that it broke this trend line, so you had a lot of dip buyers. The RSI was low, but here's the thing about bear flags is that you'll notice that it makes a low RSI, then it kind of flats out, and then just boom, drops, continues dropping, and by that point the RSI doesn't even matter. But anyways, a lot of dip buyers came in, held once, held twice, continue going, and the thing is that as you can see, it was just a chop fest for a couple minutes. This 3 minute candle, so I think it was close to an hour, just a chop fest, and I was being patient because X's did a similar move yesterday, and X's ended rolling over. And so I pretty much told myself, let me be patient, let me allow it. I'm going to allow the stock to play out. Eventually, it didn't. It came and stopped me out. I had a mental stop, but then I was looking at the numbers, and then once I saw that it was at 838, I just got out the way. It was a little bit discouraging. I talked to Billy about this, and well, he mentioned, this is actually a winning trade if you think about it. It didn't come in my direction. There is a certain risk. I took that risk, and I ended up, sticking to it. Otherwise, I mean, I probably would have kept on fighting against the trend, and next thing you know, I'm probably, a couple grand in the hole. So I just got out the way, let it run up. I mean, it was probably good buying opportunity here. I should just take in the long, but I just don't feel comfortable taking the long, especially when I have other things to do. The other one that I took was GNC. If you guys remember GNC, I took this one on my small account. I ended up going long. We brought it up. So what do we do when we bring it up? We short it. I don't know what happened, but I have my Fibonacci set, and I think there's a Fibonacci here at 836. As you can see, it reacted pretty good to it. And so when I started looking at this, I was kind of looking like for a bear flag pattern, same thing, a little bit more overextended bear flag, and ended up breaking here. Once it broke that trend, the parabolic dot was on top, and I wanted to go in here, so I ended up just chasing a little bit, 811, then it just bounced against me. At this point, I was already driving. I wasn't even in front of my computer, so my boy Roman, he kept me updated on the how the stock was behaving, and he was sending me screenshots of the trend line. He sent me this trend line here, so and I pretty much told him if it pops over here around this area, 822, I'll just get out the way and take another loss. But thankfully, started bouncing, finally cracked the VWAP, and when it cracked the VWAP, I actually got a notification on my text message. Roman started messaging me. I had to pull over because I was driving. I pulled over to this daycare center down in Texas City, and I just went ahead and covered. And I got a good price, 791. It's my cover spot. The reason is I saw the RSI was around 21, and last time I was there, I actually bounced. So I ended up covering there, and the rest is history. So I got the bottom there. So I won 1 for 1 today. Like I said, I'm not that disappointed with CNAT. I just wish I didn't go as heavy as I did. I went in full size here, and then GNC, since CNAT screwed me up, I just went 3/4 of my regular size here. In either case, just 1 for 1. Let's see what happens tomorrow. Tomorrow I should be trading from home, hopefully more active. So, anyways, other than that, that's it. I'll catch you guys later.